Hey folks, Akshat Gupta here. And if you are an e-commerce store owner, YouTuber, agency owner, ad specialist, or small and medium business owner, you know these days product image is dominant digital asset for online sales. In fact, consumers don't shop at stores anymore because of the convenience of online shopping in the comfort of their homes. And every business owner realizes this too. In the past few years, 360 images for businesses have become a popular alternative for standard product image and virtual tours. But not everyone can use 360 images because camera equipment alone costs a fortune. Learning the skills will take forever. Professional teams take almost $800 to $1,500 per hour for single 360 image. Creative subscription sites that offer ready-to-use 360 image charge hefty fee. Vetting and hiring freelancer for 360 video and images is really cumbersome. Either way, you'll end up spending tons of money and your time. I've even spent thousands of dollars every month on good quality 360 virtual images and videos for my clients. But after working for 1 year straight, we created a solution, and it has changed the game for every business owner out there. Imagine if you were able to generate your own 360 virtual image and videos, spin any image into 360 and use them anywhere, make unlimited stunning videos without any skills, sell unlimited 360 images, videos, and assets to your customer and charge any amount, access thousands of pre-made videos along with an advanced video editor and image editor. Sounds unbelievable? Introducing 360 Era, world's first AI-based 360 virtual product spin builder platform to create unlimited profitable images and videos in any niche in just 30 seconds. Unique video editor with thousands of Ultra HD video templates and 360 scenes. With 360 Era, you are just 3 steps away from starting your own 360 virtual video tour agency. Step 1. Log in and upload the images. Step 2. AI will automatically generate 360 virtual tour product showcase video. Step 3. Play or download in one click. Create unlimited videos and use it for yourself or sell to your clients and keep the profits. With 360 Era, you'll get 100% full AI-based platform, unlimited videos and images and GIF renders. Embed 360 videos and images anywhere. Use 360 videos and virtual tours on unlimited sites. 100% full mobile-friendly software. Professional 360 virtual tour and product spin cloud-based platform. Add 360 products to any website, landing page, videos, etc. Unlimited social sharing. Download unlimited 360 tours, products, and videos. Get thousands of pre-made HD videos template. Fully CEO-friendly platform. Get commercial license. Sell unlimited video tours and images and earn like the big boys. No special skill or experience required. Inbuilt advanced video editor and image editor, and much more. And we are not alone. 150 plus top marketers and more than 2,000 customers are successfully using it and loving it. Till now, 360 Era has processed 221,729 virtual videos tour and product spin with over 94,739 plus positive reviews. And now it's turn to use it for your own business to skyrocket your conversion and profit at a low one-time cost during this special 4-day launch deal. Your purchase is fully covered by our 30 days money-back guarantee. Try it now for 30 days. If you're still not convinced, get your money back. Also, it comes with a commercial license, which makes it an incredibly great deal. Soon it will be recurring, so hurry up and pay one time or monthly later. Act fast and click the link below. See you inside.